Hello friends, welcome to Coders Abode, and today we will learn how to install Beam editor and how to use it. So at first, to open up the terminal, we will press Alt Ctrl T and the keyboard at the same time, and we will check whether the Beam is working. Bim a.txt. a.txt is the file name and Beam is the function called. Okay, so as you can see here, the program Beam cannot be found, can be found on the following packages. As instructed, they have said that any of these packages will install the Beam editor, which is required for editing. Everyone has his own preference, so I'll prefer Beam itself, only Beam. So to install it, the command has been given. You can see sudo apt install, and the selected package name should be put here in this portion, selected package. Okay, so let us start. sudo apt get install, let us write Bim. So I am writing apt get. Okay, it's written up here apt, both would work. Okay, so apt get Beam, apt get install Beam, and enter. Now it's prompting for the password to be inputted. I am putting in the password. And I have done it. The password doesn't show up, okay, but it's actually inputted. So it's prompting if I want to continue. I'll press Y and enter. Now it will download the program. It's downloading it. Okay, 77% done, and downloading is done almost, and it's installing right now, reading databases and unpacking and installing. Okay, it's done. Now let us see how to work with it. Beam a.txt. Let's better go to the desktop. cd desktop. Okay, so now we are in the desktop. This portion, this is the front, is the desktop, so it's better to do in the desktop because it's always visible. So let us start writing Beam a.txt. Now you can see the editor has opened up. Now to start writing, press I, which stands for insert, and you see the text has converted to insert here. Now write anything that you want to. I'll write Coders Abode. Okay, and then anything. Okay, to exit from the editor, you will have to press ESC, escape. Okay, escape at the top left, and then press semicolon. It shows up here, you see. Okay, semicolon, it shows up here. Okay, for that you have to press shift and then the colon semicolon button. It's the colon. Then write WQ and press enter. You see the file has been created. Yes, and the file contains the inputted strings. Okay, so this is the way how you install Beam editor in Ubuntu Terminal.